Hello everyone, welcome back to Fan Screens. We know you always want to be up to date on the latest trends in tech and other gadgets. That's why today we're rounding up the coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. Let's get started. Cosmic Eye. This mesmerizing spear definitely looks like something extraterrestrial. The idea is pretty simple. You just flip and tilt the toy and watch the liquid inside flowing and creating beautiful patterns. You can also play with the thing using a magnet. This spear is made from polycarbonate, which is extremely durable. In addition, there's an optional aluminum stand that is a perfect way to decorate your desk. Hohem iSteady V2 Gimbal. Looking for a powerful and easy way to use a phone gimbal? So this gimbal stands out with an integrated AI vision sensor, and when you need either to change the shooting mode or turn off the face tracking, Smart Gestures lets you do that without even touching the phone. What's more is that this thing features 3-axis stabilization and built-in LED light with 3 brightness levels to choose from. For those who like cinematic shots, the gimbal brings a variety of different modes like time-lapse, inception, and dolly zoom. The gadget charges via USB-C, delivering up to 9 hours of use on a single charge, and since it supports two-way charging, you might also use this gimbal as a power bank. Circuit Mesh BatMobile. Although this BatMobile is much smaller than the original one, it's staffed with some pro-level hardware. There's a dual-core processor and high-quality camera and customizable LED lighting. The package includes all the parts and tools that you'll need to assemble the BatMobile from scratch. And on top of that, you can get the sleek controller with built-in LCD display. But even without it, the car can drive completely on its own using AI and machine learning. In addition, there are 14 QR code cards that work like triggers. You can show the car to the BatMobile and it performs a certain action. Most importantly, you can connect this thing to your PC and learn programming by adding new features to your vehicle. Mezmoglobe Liquid. The line between real magic and optical illusion is sometimes extremely thin. Just take a look at this kinetic sculpture. All you have to do is spin it gently to activate the mesmerizing motion. It looks like some kind of a liquid, but it's actually a solid piece of aluminum. The secret is the unusual shape of each section. Although they look like regular circles, they're much more complex. 50 BMG Brainteaser Puzzle. If you need more unusual stuff, check out this bullet puzzle. It includes 6 interlocking sessions that look like actual rounds. This thing is pretty easy to disassemble, but putting the pieces back is going to take some time. Nixie Timezone Clock. Now, if you're into retro tech, you'll definitely appreciate this Nixie tube clock. First, it uses genuine Nixie tubes that were made by hand back in 1960s. On top of that, the clock features premium aluminum housing along with brass and steel components. This thing is able to display 5 different time zones in sequence from London to New York to Dubai, Geneva, and Taipei. But here's the bummer. The clock is a limited edition of 100 pieces only, so the price is insane, but it's still pretty affordable. Kyle's Aether Wings. Some cosplayers have no limits when designing their own incredible costumes, so this guy decided to build a life-size copy of Aether Wings Kyle's skin from League of Legends. It took about 1,000 hours and about $1,500 to make, but the result is definitely worth it. The suit is mainly made from aluminum along with Ava foam and acrylic. As you can see, the huge wings are fully functional and decorated with bright LED light. Despite the size, they're really easy to control using the special mobile app. It's hard to believe that the creator is not a professional engineer and had to learn everything from scratch. But obviously, wearing this thing must be pretty tough. It weighs around 40 pounds, and that's the price you pay for the amazing look. Space Rocket by Magnet Driver. This innovative screwdriver is special in every single way. First of all, it's inspired by the legendary mission of Apollo 11. Aside from that, this thing stands out with some great functions. At last, there's no need to hold the screwdriver with your hand. The magnetic tips make sure that the screw won't drop. The tool comes with over 20 replaceable bits of various types and sizes. Plus, there's a really neat mat that organizes your bits, keeping them all in place. Another cool feature is the adjustable length. 4 different positions let you adjust the tool and easily reach the tightest spaces. And you'll definitely appreciate the turning base that allows smooth and quick operation. So, this is an ultimate solution for small repairs, whether your glass phone or any other gadgets. Xencelabs Quick Keys. Here we have some cool PC accessories that will improve your workspace and gaming setup. This keypad, for instance, is a perfect tool for designers. It connects to your PC either wirelessly or over USB, providing a full setup of 40 customizable shortcut keys. No matter the OS, this thing is fully compatible with the professional software. A large backlit dial lets you quickly adjust the brush size and other settings. Logitech G13 Gameboard. This powerful game board that features 25 programmable keys and an analog stick. Yes, it's been a while on the market, but it's still popular, and it continues to gain positive reviews. Right off the box, there are some pre-installed settings for a bunch of popular games. Also, this thing is equipped with an LCD display that will show your game stats and messages for other players. The ergonomic design with built-in palm rest makes sure your hand won't hurt after hours of playing. Thinklabs One Digital Stethoscope. This is an innovative stethoscope that provides great functionality in a sleek and tiny body. First of all, this thing is able to amplify sounds over 100 times, so you can clearly hear the harder blood pressure sounds even through the clothes. Moreover, you're free to adjust the volume and set various filter frequencies. The stethoscope is provided with its own high-quality earbuds, but it actually works with all sorts of headphones and external speakers. The gadget comes with a USB charger, a bunch of adapters, and a mobile kit that lets you connect the stethoscope directly to your phone or tablet. This allows you to play back, save, and share your recordings. The Pillbugs. Even if you've had a lot of fidget spinners, this one is definitely worth checking out. It stands out with an extremely complex mechanism that includes 6 tungsten steel bearings and 6 outer shells. Here's the coolest part. When you start spinning, the shells open up almost just like a transformer, and the sound is actually no less satisfying than the look. The spinner features a premium all-metal body, and there are 3 materials to choose from: stainless steel, titanium, and zirconium. And if you wanted to add some more colors, there are special slots left exactly for that purpose. We think you'll agree with us that the products on this list are pretty amazing. Let us know your favorites in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.